Okay, it's another morning, it's another third timing day at set up muna natin yung ginawa nating Twitter nung nakaraang linggo na siningil natin ng 1.9 at ngayon ay ikakabit natin sa kanyang mobile system. So set up natin yan. Alright?
Girl, you're mine, you're my